On our previous video, we flew to Toronto, we went to the CN Tower, and then we went to Ripley's Aquarium. This is now day 2. I had to set the alarm for 7 a.m. to catch our train to Niagara Falls. We took some pictures while we could while there were not many people around. From Union Station to Niagara Station, it cost $42.30 for both of us for a 2-hour train ride. We picked up some brochures at the train station. When we got to Oaks Hotel, the lady told us that room 1120, the one I wanted, was not available.
View the falls, and that's what you pay for.
She said we would get 1020. I was so hoping for the view from 1120, but it was only one floor down. So we decided to go to the Falls View Casino since the rooms weren't ready yet. This is the view from outside of the casino. Spicy stuff.
Maple syrup.
It is Canadian.
I cry when ugly people hold me. I like that one.
At the mall, Terry ended up getting a license plate and I got a magnet for souvenirs. Because we told Shoebomb it was our anniversary, we ended up getting room 1920, only 2 floors from the top of the building. instead of 1020, which they said we would get to begin with. But it was even better. Here's our room tour. There's a couch when you first walk in, which is a hide-a-bed. Then there's the closet. Over here is a dresser and a TV in the fridge.
Insert it in the key slot and then hook it on the handle.
And here's the bathroom. Nice and fancy. Just one sink over here. Towels. Ooh, here's the jacuzzi tub. And a glass shower. Did you look at the bathroom here?
Not yet.
Can't wait to use this. These swans are so adorable. Going into the bedroom area, looks like there's some extra windows. And here's a nightstand, the king bed, another nightstand, and chairs. And here's the view we paid for in 1920.
Same time I'm in the shower. Super wow. Awesome.
We were going to Red Lobster for dinner. All my life I have grown up watching Red Lobster commercials. I was so excited to be there. I ordered lots for leftovers. When I ordered the Bar Harbor lobster bake, the ultimate feast, and the lobster and shrimp pasta. We walked around Niagara and took more pictures after dinner. Then it was the end of day 2. Please subscribe to help our channel. We'll see you in the next video.